In this video, I'm going to show you how to change lowercase letters to uppercase in MS Word. So to change lowercase letters to uppercase, click on this drop down and it's assigned for case, and here you will find option uppercase like this. Very simply you can change. Click here and select uppercase. So firstly you need to select your all text, and if you want to make all document, so press Ctrl A and select all data and select uppercase. And there is an option if you want to use shortcuts, so press Shift key plus F3. So use the shortcut for to change case from lowercase to uppercase. Press Shift key plus 3. So thanks for watching this video.